Ningbo Very Kind Medical Device Company Limited is the fully capitalized subsidiary company of Ningbo David Medical. The mainly products are disposable intraluminal stapler, disposable and rectal stapler, disposable linear cutting stapler, disposable linear stapler, disposable endoscopic cutting stapler, disposable troll car, etc. Instruction for use of disposable intraluminal staplers. It is intended for use in the end-to-end, end-to-side anastomosis of tissues in digestive tract surgery. Titanium alloy staple with high extension of strength. User-friendly design twisting knob. Reliable firing safety. Display window reminds the perfect time to fire. Remove the blister cover. Take the disposable intraluminal stapler out of package. Turn the adjusting knob counterclockwise. Remove the staple housing protector and remove the anvil from the stapler. Insert the troll car to the stringed purse and make sure the red part insert the spinculate shaft hole has to be shown. Insert the anvil back to the troll car and hear a click sound. Turn the adjusting knob clockwise to the position and the pointer in the display window moves to the green range. Open the firing safety. Squeeze the firing handle quickly until a click sound is heard. Hold the handle 15 to 20 seconds, then release the handle. Close the firing safety. Turn the adjusting knob counterclockwise. Remove the stapler. Keep turning the adjusting knob counterclockwise to open the stapler. Remove the anvil and take the tissue resected out of the stapler. Check the resection is complete or not. The surgery is finished.